Hi viewers, good evening everyone. It's a rainy day, so the weather here is so cold. So guys, like I told you guys yesterday, that I'll be making another video today. So I decided to fulfill my promise, like I said yesterday. And if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to push to other people who are interested in this video. And to my lovely subscribers, I welcome you all. So guys, today we'll be making, look at these two ingredients, onion and ginger. I so much love onion and ginger in my hair recipe because these two ingredients are so wonderful. If you notice in most of my video, I love using these two ingredients in combination with other ingredients. So guys, make sure you do not skip videos. So I'll start by chopping I don't have a juice blender. So if you know you have a juice blender, you can use your juice blender. So for me, I'm using my manual blender. So this manual blender is going to be helping me to chop it into pieces. You understand? By then I'll proceed. I'll transfer it to my mortar. So to pound it very well so that I will get the juice extracted. If I don't do it that way, I won't be extracting all the juice. Today I blend my onion, so let me use this opportunity to explain what onion does to the hair. Onion juice has a high in the antioxidant and antimicrobial content. It uh, um it stimulates dormant hair follicles to boost growth, strengthening strands, and to prevent breakage. And it helps to eliminate scalp infections that causes dandruff. While ginger will boost your blood circulation because of that pepper effect. Will I say pepper effect or menthol effect? So the menthol effect in ginger is going to help to circulate your as in it's going to help to circulate the blood that runs on your hair scalp. It is a scalp stimulating treatment which will stimulate your follicles and delivers essential nutrients to the hair. It also fights dandruff. It has antiseptic, antifungal properties that will help keep the scalp clean and control malaria. So guys, I added a little water. I added this water. It's not that I added it to dilute the effect because the water I extracted was not enough. So I have to add a little water. So go ahead if you want to use two onion. For me, make sure you don't use more than the ginger. Make sure you do not use more than that for your hair. For me, I even divided my own into two. So I used parts. I didn't use everything. So you can see that the water I got was so small, so I had to add a little water. So after this, I'm going to be applying it on her hair like you see me doing. So before I forget, let me quickly explain. So guys, after I apply this, I'm going to be leaving it to sit for 2 to maximum. If you have the strength, you can leave to the next day, but let it start from 2 hours. I think 2 hours is okay. And if you have time, if you are not really doing anything, if you leave it to the next day, it works so better. Guys, this hair have been taking treatment back to back. So since we made this hair, the hair have been taking treatment back to back. On the day I'll be losing this hair, we're going to see what this hair brings, and I'll be reviewing to you guys. I'm going to show you guys the video. So guys, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I beg you, for those of you who watch and do not subscribe, please subscribe to my channel so that YouTube will push my video to other people who are interested in this type of video. I love you all. Bye bye.